I'm back with another Godzilla trailer reaction review video. And this one is called Godzilla, Nature as an Order.
They evacuated us so quickly. I don't even have a picture of her.
You're only gonna be gone for a few days, right? You are gonna come back to me. It's not the end of the world.
Nature has an order.
Oh,
A
shit.
power to restore balance.
Godzilla, experience it in IMAX.
That one right there is the first video, the first trailer that I saw where it kind of showed him how big he fucking is. Like the other, y'all know what I'm talking about when you see it, so make sure y'all check that shit out. Yo, the waters was coming up and ships were, it looked like the ships were in a bathtub. That's how they were being pushed to the side. It was just like little, they were just moving because of how big he was. That was hot. Oh, million subscribers. Woo!